I don't know why my brain works the way that it does. I don't know why I'm sad all the time or getting these moods that I can't get out of. It's like I have no control over my own brain. It's really just a lot of depression, a whole lot of anxiety. I feel like the only thing that makes me feel better is creating things, but a lot of times I have a hard time getting myself out to create anything. That's why I did this today. Hopefully, it comes out all right. I'm gonna try to take pictures of myself. With an 85 millimeter, so I'm gonna have to get pretty far away. This is what we're working with. On this tripod, and I'm gonna try to go over there and get a photo. The problem is that I'm gonna have to try to use the Camera Connect app. So it seems to be working. But we don't know if it's gonna be in focus or not. Because for some reason the live view doesn't work very well. Let's go see if they're in focus. I was sitting at home today, all sad because Bitcoin was down, and I knew I was losing money. I lost so much money in the last week. And then I was just laying there like, should I sell everything? Should I buy something else in hopes that it goes back up? And I realized that like, that little bit of loss doesn't matter. I'll make it back. I'm good. We'll be good. I decided just to come out here and create something today. Wasn't expecting to do self-portraits today, but that's kind of what it turned into. It was fun though. Hopefully they come out all right. I saw a weasel, a little black weasel. He was climbing on a log. Honestly, I'm really glad I just like didn't care about cryptocurrency today. I didn't care about losing money. I just went out and had fun. Made something I enjoyed. It's really all I want to do.